So here we have the ingredients required for preparing our Paan Sharbat. I'll introduce the Paan in a while. Here are the other ingredients for 2 servings. First of all, here I have some sugar, 2 teaspoons of it, 2 tablespoons of gulkand. Gulkand is a blend of rose petals and sugar, so it's not at all harmful. Some karunda cherries, totally optional, and cardamom. As I'm going to serve it quickly, here I have some ice cubes and the paan leaves. These are the ingredients that we required for it. I'm using the Calcutta variety of paan leaves. This is sweet in taste and it has got a mesmerizing flavor of paan. This is best for cooking purposes and this is used for preparing sweet paans. So this is best for cooking. So let's start preparing our Paan Sharbat. We are going to crush these ingredients by hand and not by a mixer. That is going to take some energy, but it will be worth it. Here I have a rolling pin and a board. Rolling pin with lines, so you can use any rolling pin that you have. I have chopped up 4 paan leaves roughly, and now we are going to crush these. I know it is going to take a while and it is going to take some energy of yours, but crushing these by hands will take out the best flavor, best taste out of it. So spend 5 minutes on it and you will be really proud of preparing this. This is very sweet, refreshing, and it will give you energy instantly. So just crush this for a minute or so at the first, then we are going to add some more ingredients to it and continue crushing. This is after a minute and all of them have come up in the middle. Now it's perfect for adding our sugar and gulkand to it and continue crushing. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is totally up to you, but this sharbat is going to be sweet, so we need to add gulkand and sugar in a generous amount. So now continue crushing for about 3 to 4 more minutes and then a paste like thing like this will be ready. This is after about 4 minutes and this looks pretty good for preparing our sharbat. This is like a chutney right now, so I'm going to transfer this to a bowl and then continue preparing our paan ka sharbat. So here I have a jug in which we are going to mix our ingredients. First of all, I'm going to take the paste that we prepared. This is about 2 tablespoons right now, and we are going to mix in the cardamom. If you want to skip the cardamom, you may skip, but I think that adding cardamom increases the taste of it. So I have crushed up 2 cardamom and I have added to it, and some cherries here. This is totally silly to add cherries at this stage. If you want to add cherries, you can add. You may also add the cherries at the bottom of the glass if you want to. So or even decorate the glass with cherry as I did. I'm also going to add some khas syrup. This I did not mention in the list. I wanted to add right now, so I added. I'm going to add about a cup of water and mix it, and again add another cup of water. So in total 2 cups of water for 2 servings. So mix it up and now we are going to strain this up. I have already added another cup of water. So now if you want to store it for about 3 to 4 hours, you may store it like this without straining, and the thing that is left after straining can be eaten. Don't need to throw that. That will be very flavorful and tasty. So I'm going to add some gulkand at the bottom of the glass so that it becomes even more delicious. If you want to add, you can add. I'm going to add some ice cubes here, and finally our paan ka sharbat or paan sharbat. And this is very sweet and delicious. It gives you energy in an instant, so this is worth a try. Do try and let me know how it turned out to be. Thank you for watching.